Hello viewers, welcome to Android tutorial for beginners. Today I will show how to validate the login form, username and password. So username and password must be required before login. So now I will show the how we can validate username and password when we click the login button. So at first we set the username ID. This is edit text field and username ID, and this is password field, and set the edit text, password ID and login button. This is the ID, btn login. So now we can go to the main activity. Here first we declare the edit text, username, password, and our button is button btn login. So at first we need to define the edit text, username edit text, find by id dot id dot username. We can copy it, password, and here we can get the password field id, and now define the button, find by id dot btn login. So when we click the button, then the username password will be validated. We will check btn login dot set on click event listener new on click. So at first we need to get the username. If username dot get text, username got text, we can get the text value by get text, and we can convert to string, and we set the team is need for the white space removed from string before starting and ending. Then we can set the length equal to 0. If length is 0, then username dot set error, please enter username. Now we can run our project for testing. It take time few seconds, so it is running. That is the username. At first we enter some text and click the login button. Nothing happened because we have entered the some text in user field. When we leave the blank and then click the login button, it will show the error, and showing the error, please enter username. Same way we can define the password field. We can set the password field, we can copy it. Here is password, set the password, please enter your password. Now we can set the username and password field validation. It take time a few seconds for running. We have entered username password, nothing to display error. At first showing the error username, we enter some text username, and we can test the password field. Here is the string. Please enter your password. When we blank both username and password, then showing that first username, fine, enter the username, then click the button. Here is the showing the please enter your password. So username password you valid check when you enter username password, then we'll show the your username password is validated. Here we can define the flag boolean flag is true. False false. When username is empty, then flag will be false, and password is empty, flag will be false. Finally we can set the flag equal to true, then toast message will show toast dot make test. Here is main activity dot this error message your username and password field is fill up. Here toast dot length dot show. Now can set the button. Okay. It is running. So enter the username and password. Your username and password field is filled out. Thank you so much.